In 2002, Porsche made a bold move. They launched an SUV, and not just any SUV, but one engineered with the soul of a sports car. It shocked the world. Critics called it blasphemy. Enthusiasts were skeptical. But Porsche wasn't chasing trends. They were building a new kind of performance machine. The Cayenne E1 handled like a Porsche, worked like a truck, and survived conditions that would set most luxury SUVs crying back to the dealership. It didn't just keep Porsche alive, it redefined what the brand could be. It won rallies, it pulled planes, it became a legend in its own lane. And now, over 2 decades later, we're taking it back to its roots. Back to the journey to the Paris Dakar Rally, and back to the unforgiving deserts that forged its legend. Now let's meet the team making it all happen. At the helm, team principal, McEwing. Marketing manager, Paige Shostak. Service manager, Austin Bailey. And service coordinator, Blair Reeves. And me, the narrator. On the tools, 2 seasoned Porsche technicians, Andrew Kelly, Pedro Silva. Over 20 years of combined experience, no guesswork, no shortcuts, just precision. And their mission? To get the Cayenne into its peak condition before it's handed off to our racing partners, the Gear Shop. A Calgary institution, and now a trusted ally. They'll be transforming the Cayenne into a fully FIA-certified rally machine. With their expertise and our shared obsession of speed, the Cayenne is in good hands. This isn't just a rebuild. This is a return. A statement. Join us as we celebrate the Cayenne's engineering, its defiant spirit, and Porsche's relentless pursuit of performance.
We're just going over this fine machine for the Classic competition. Just going to give it a quick once-over.
Swamp, 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 swamp music. When the hell dogs start singing, I ain't got them big old city blues.
It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. So, probably note that. Yeah. A little bit of work, yeah, to be expected. It's not only going to perform well, it's going to win.